Welcome to Steira Air Copilot, an intelligent workspace designed to support HVAC engineering, building performance analysis, and energy management workflows. It brings technical knowledge, equipment information, project documents, operational data, and audit preparation together in one secure and easy-to-use platform. By helping teams find relevant information and organize technical evidence more efficiently, Steira Air Copilot supports faster, more consistent, and better-informed engineering decisions. The Q&A workspace provides focused assistance for HVAC-related technical questions. Users can ask questions in natural language about HVAC equipment, system operation, controls, maintenance, troubleshooting, indoor environmental performance, and energy efficiency. Steira Air Copilot searches the approved HVAC knowledge base and produces a practical response with supporting sources for review. The workspace is dedicated to HVAC and building performance topics, helping users avoid unrelated information and stay focused on the engineering task. The Upload Nameplate workspace converts equipment nameplate images into usable technical information. Users first select the relevant equipment type, such as a chiller, chilled water pump, condenser water pump, or cooling tower, and then upload a clear photograph of the nameplate. Steira Air Copilot extracts key specifications from the image and prepares the information for review. Once approved, the equipment record can be added to the searchable project knowledge base for future technical queries and equipment assessment. The Upload Report/Points workspace helps users organize and review HVAC reports, equipment schedules, commissioning records, control documents, and BMS point data. Users can select the appropriate HVAC subsystem and upload relevant project files for analysis. Steira Air Copilot supports document-specific technical questions, checks the information available in the uploaded material, and helps identify missing data that may be required for a more complete engineering assessment. The knowledge base provides a controlled view of the technical information available within the project. Users can review imported files, index text, searchable content, and approved equipment records. They can scan designated folders, select new documents for import, and refresh the knowledge statistics when project information changes. This creates an organized source of project-specific HVAC knowledge while keeping customer and site information within the correct workspace. Rapid Audit helps teams prepare an initial review of building, HVAC, and energy performance evidence. Users can select the project country, choose the applicable assessment scheme, and define the required ASHRAE audit depth. The structured workspace supports early screening, site survey preparation, and more detailed energy investment analysis. It helps users organize project documents, identify evidence gaps, and prepare a clearer pathway toward a formal audit or building performance assessment. The Energy Report workspace transforms BMS trend exports into structured HVAC performance analysis. Using general HVAC analysis, users enter a site ID and upload CSV or Excel trend files from the building management system. Steira Air Copilot assists with point mapping, data cleansing, data quality checks, performance calculations, and the identification of potential energy-saving opportunities. Confirmed point mappings can be retained for the same site, making future data uploads faster and more consistent. The resulting analysis helps engineering teams understand system behavior, recognize operational issues, and prioritize areas for further investigation. The Weekly Update workspace helps keep the HVAC knowledge base current through a controlled review process. Users can refresh available industry information, review sources by region or topic, and select relevant content for inclusion. Automatic knowledge updates can also be managed from this workspace. This allows Steira Air Copilot to incorporate approved developments in HVAC technology, energy policy, building standards, and industry guidance without losing control over the information added to the system. Steira Air Copilot brings together HVAC knowledge, equipment data, project documentation, operational analysis, and audit preparation in one practical workspace. It helps engineers and building performance teams reduce time spent searching through scattered information, improve the consistency of technical reviews, and turn available data into clearer actions. From answering HVAC questions to analyzing BMS trends and preparing rapid audits, Steira Air Copilot supports better informed decisions throughout the building performance workflow.